What's up, everybody? How you doing there? My name is Kenny, and we're gonna go ahead and learn new lessons, new ways to go ahead and do stuff with Adobe Creative Suite. We have a whole bunch of lessons that we're gonna learn, and we're gonna put these lessons into perspective and hopefully build a nice piece for your portfolio or whatever business, what have you. If you're a graphic designer, you might like to have this or do this as a nice little project to go ahead and make a good portfolio. If you're also a business owner and everything like that, and you are a graphic designer or you're a fashion designer or what have you, this would be a great skill to go ahead and learn how to brand your business or startup company or something like that, and go from step 1 all the way to step 20. Okay, so join me in my lesson plan and everything like that on how to brand your startup. Let's go. Alright guys, first step, we're going to go ahead and think about what our business is going to be about. Every business needs to focus on what thing they're trying to do. Or is it a thing that they're trying to sell? Is it a service? What is it? So that's where we're going to go ahead and grab a piece of paper and write down our thoughts and everything like that. I already have an idea exactly what I'm going to go ahead and try and brand. I'm going to go ahead and do a fashion lineup and everything like that, and we're going to call this fashion Urban Replay. And I came up with that name because I was like, oh, okay, let me try. I want to do something with clothes and stuff like that. I want to do something interesting with young youth and everything like that. So Urban Replay, and the whole concept of that Urban Replay is going to be about people wearing like urban clothes and urban wear, city-like type things and everything like that, with the nice t-shirts, maybe bandana or something like that, or ripped pants or something like that, or just some urban wear, you know, just urban wear. So I came up with this name called Urban Replay. Definitely you can go ahead and take a look at my sketches, and I went ahead and made sketches. So, first thing first, we want to go ahead and grab a sketchbook. I have mine right here, and start sketching on an idea of what the logo is going to look like. I initially thought of 3 different types of logos. Either it's going to be an image, or it's going to be a monogram, or it's going to be a or image or text or something like that, or abstract type of logo. I chose to do like a monogram type of look and everything like that by taking the U and the R and putting it together and giving that replay, like the replay, like going forward, as you can see on this sketch right here. You can definitely see the idea and everything like that. I'm going to go ahead and add like other graphics with this, and you can go ahead and take a look at the process and everything like that. Now we got Illustrator loaded up and everything onto your computer. We're just going to go ahead and open up our files. I already have created the file links and everything like that. I do apologize. The Urban Replay, and I created the logos. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and show you how I created the logo. Alright, so you can see this is the logo and everything like that. And how I formed this logo was I took the U and the R and kind of fused them together and put this like directional like tool around them, so you can see how they're pointing and everything, and come up with Urban Replay. I think it's a solid logo for what we're trying to do here, but if you have any similar ideas and everything like that, you should go ahead and put them together and make a great illustration. So now that you got your logo and everything put together, and you figure out what's the name of your company or brand or whatever it's going to be called, you're going to go ahead and create a proposal. And this proposal is like kind of like that mood board or your plans, your ideas, how you're going to structure a whole marketing campaign on. So we're going to go into InDesign, and I'll show you how we put this together, the proposal and everything like that, and then we start talking about the concepts and stuff like that, and how we put these concepts together to make this like wonderful marketing campaign for our brand. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys, I created a folder in my desktop and I named it Urban Replay. And what I have right here is the final where I'm going to put all my marketing materials and stuff into. I have my logo, and this is how I exported it into a 300 ppi folder workspace. One JPEG and one is PNG. One black, one white. Those are the colors I'm going to have for those logos. So also I have my working files, which will be my Urban Replay logo that I created in Adobe Illustrator and put that in there as well. So whenever I need to make changes, it can be changed right there. Then I have my paperwork with basically like notes and stuff like that and concepts. So we're going to go ahead and talk about the concepts and everything like that and how we come up with these concepts. So what I did was I went on Google and I looked up like different fashions and stuff like that. What would urban look like? And I thought these good images right here will show like how the urban look should look and everything like that for men and everything like that. You know, like if I was a fashion designer and stuff like that, like, oh, you know, I like that look and stuff like that. Here, more like this will be more urban like whatnot. Urban Replay right there. Maybe like urban right there. Maybe not so much urban. Maybe, I don't know. We're just trying to get the look and feel. So when you go ahead and create the marketing campaign, you can go ahead and show like the models when you're hiring them, how they look and everything like that. You got urban right here. That looks great. Not so much of that. Maybe something like that. Something maybe like that. Maybe something like that as well. Yeah. And also the storytelling. We definitely want to go ahead and choose out some good. We want to go ahead and try to go ahead and get a good story base going and whatnot, and showing how we want the whole marketing campaign to look and everything like that when we go out and shoot and take the photos and everything like that. So get that look and feel of that urban lifestyle. And also we're going to be shooting this in the mall, so we'll talk about that location and everything like that. So after you go ahead and do that, you create that type of page, whatnot, and then you have the location sheet, whatnot. You have like the creator, which will be me, whatnot, and we'll have the model's name, and then we have the assistants if you have any assistants. You don't have to really do this, whatnot, but I just like it looks professional. I'm like, oh wow, this guy created like a profile type thing, whatnot, and all the list of the people who's gonna be working with you and everything like that. The location is gonna be at the Galleria Mall here in Buffalo and everything like that, and we're trying to get the mall has the urban feel, lots of stores. So also, I created another reference sheet, so if you were to show like, you know, the model and everything like that, how the looks and stuff like that is supposed to look and everything like that, and how the pictures would be like looking, and how it will take the style of the picture and everything like that. It's just a great reference to like to the whole like production photo shoot and everything like that. And then we have the item listings, like the gear and stuff like that, like camera gears, lights and stuff like that, and what have you. And that's basically it for the proposal. So let's go ahead and go to the next lesson. Now we're going to go ahead and talk about camera gears and how you're going to set up for your marketing campaign and photo shoot and everything. For me, whatnot, I have a camera that's a Nikon. What is this? Nikon D3200, and it basically works for me and everything like that. I have done amazing photos with this camera. What I have attached on here is a 18 to 55 millimeter lens that is 3.5 to 5.6 G focal point. So I'm using this whatnot, and I also have a lens that is a primes lens that is 50 millimeter prime. So it's a 1.8 G lens. This also comes in handy when you're shooting. Also, I have this nice, awesome bag that keeps all of my camera gear and everything like that. Also, I have a zoom lens in here as well. That's up to 200, 55 to 200, probably around like 4.4, yeah, 1.4 or 5.6 G. And this is what I'm going to use to go ahead and do the photo shoot and everything like that for the marketing campaign. And also, I'm going to go ahead and bring the proposal as well to the photo shoot to have reference when I go ahead and make the start shooting production and everything like that. So this is what you're going to do after that.